to celebrate a historic vote Sunday when the United States Congress voted 219 to 212 to pass healthcare reform legislation.
Yeah!
We are really pleased to see the first steps of real meaningful healthcare reform in this state. And we only have 3 of our 9 Congress people to thank for this legislation and for voting yes. That would be Carnahan, Clay, and Cleaver.
Yay!
All of these 3 represent St. Louis and Kansas City. Our rural congressional district representatives have failed us.
Boo!
6 of the 7 votes that could have halted national health care reform legislation's passage came from Missouri, and that ain't right. Aiken, Blunt, Emerson, Gray, our own Luke DeMeyer, and Skelton. You all, shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you! Shame on you! We are calling out the naysayers of healthcare reform today. The naysayers. They are going to get the benefits of healthcare reform legislation starting as soon as today, when the President of the United States signs the bill into law.
Yeah!
I saw him sign that sucker.
He just signed it!
Yeah!
So that means starting right now, small businesses in our Missouri communities can get tax credits to start purchasing health insurance again for their employees.
Yeah!
This means starting right now, senior citizens get help to pay for prescription drugs, and for all those seniors who have hit that donut hole already, guess what? You get a $250 check from the government.
Yeah!
As of this moment, the path for coverage for those like myself with pre-existing conditions begins with the creation of a high-risk pool to purchase health insurance.
Yeah!
Starting September 23rd, no longer is it legal for insurance companies to deny children with pre-existing health conditions. As of September 23rd, no longer is it legal for insurance companies to drop you if you get sick.
Yeah!
No more of those rescissions. Parents can keep their children starting September 23rd on their health insurance plan till they reach the age of 26.
Yeah!
Insurance companies can no longer impose lifetime limits for coverage. That's going to help people like my brother-in-law. That is great. January 2011, oh no, it ain't done there. January 2011, Medicare patients will receive not any cost at all, free preventive care, period.
Yeah!
And finally, insurance companies must spend at least 80% or more of your premium payment for actual medical care.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? They owe us. They have to give us our money back. And finally, January 2014, the health exchange open enrollment. Everybody in,
Nobody out! Everybody in! Nobody out!
everybody in, nobody out. And so insurance companies will no longer be able to deny anybody coverage in this country. That is amazing. And guess what? They have to put it in limits on benefits. No longer, if you happen to get pregnant at the wrong time, or if you happen to get a appendicitis at the wrong time, can these guys make you start your payment, what is it called? Deductible, thank you. Deductible all over again. Woo! That is over. So, naysayers, where are you? Naysayers.
Boo!
Oh, no. Okay, naysayers. That's right, the 6 naysayers. You guys, are you really serious here? Are you telling me you can't support what I just laid out here for you? Are you telling me that you cannot see the benefits and are not going to reap the benefits for your people? And even some of you are talking about repealing this legislation? What is up with that?
Boo! Boo!
Lily, come here and tell them how their districts are going to benefit from this.
Yay!
All right, well today all Missourians can thank Representatives Carnahan, Clay, and Cleaver for their courageous votes on health care reform, for taking a stand for what is in the best interest of all Americans. Today, we all win.
Yeah!
Because Representatives Carnahan, Clay, and Cleaver voted for health care reform, coverage will be extended to 405,000 uninsured Missouri residents.
Yeah!
And because of their votes, 94,500 Missourians with pre-existing conditions will now be able to obtain coverage they couldn't obtain before.
Yeah!
And because of their courageous votes, which put the interests of the people above the greed of the insurance industry, 482,000 young adults will now be able to obtain coverage on their parents' plan.
Yeah!
Now make no mistake, as Missourians begin to see and live with the benefits of health care reform, many will try to take credit. Today, as we celebrate the fact that we all win with these reforms, Missourians know only 3 of our elected congresspeople actually stood up for our best interests.
Yeah!
In the weeks and months and years to come, we will remember that 6 Missouri congresspeople who voted against reform, Aiken, Skelton, Graves, Blunt, Emerson, and Luxemire, have no claim to the benefits Missourians will reap from the passage of this health care reform.
Right!
Right? Not a
Privilege!
Healthcare is a
Right!
Not a
Privilege!
Healthcare is a
Right!
Not a
Privilege!
No thanks to Luxemire, the 9th Congressional District will see 61,000 young adults who can now obtain coverage on their parents' plan.
Yeah!
No thanks to Skelton, the 4th Congressional District will now see coverage extended to 55,000 uninsured residents.
Yeah!
And no thanks to Blunt, the 7th Congressional District will see that 14,700 residents with pre-existing conditions can now obtain coverage they couldn't obtain before.
Yeah!
Today, all Missourians and all Americans are winners. Still, we say no thanks to the 6 Missouri congresspeople who cast selfish and politically motivated votes, which hold the greed of insurance companies above the needs of the constituents they were sent to Washington, D.C. to represent. And we say thank you yet again to Carnahan, Clay, and Cleaver, because when we all do better, we all
I'll do better.